Well, this is 30 TV, 30 Media that gives precise information on sound and sound information, sound engineering, and all that. Cable connectors is what we are looking at today. We are looking at TRS, SAL, TS, RCA, and then the banana cables. But we'll be dealing with the SAL cables and then the TRS and TX today. Now, these are connectors. These are XLR connectors that we have. We have the male and then we have the female, and they are mostly used together. You connect the male to the female. This is the male connector. This is how it looks like. It has three pins standing out. This is the male connector, and the three pin connectors, they are used for transmitting balance, mic, and line level signals, and that is for the um, XL connectors. And that is the female. It has three holes to accommodate the three pins. So the female cable connector is also able to keep signal flow. And this is the knob that lock the two together when put together. If you want to detach, that means you have to depress the knob to detach it. And this is connected together to have a continuous flow of signal. So these are the two XLR connectors that are attached to ends of cables so that you can then link one gadget to the other. And so if you are into sound, this should be familiar to you. But those that want to get into it, these are the connectors. And then we have the TRS and then the TS, the tip ring sleeve and then the tip sleeve. Now the tip ring sleeve, as we see, is normally used to give a balanced audio. Now the TX, which we normally found in our headphone, when you look at the ends of our headphones, we see this tip ring sleeve there, and most of the time we refer to as a mini jack. And when you look at it carefully, you see um, a round, a black round there at the tip, and that is one. If you look at it carefully, so if it is one, and that is what mono. If it is two or three, and that is stereo. And these connectors are very, very important to help link various gadgets together, and it also help you to be able to also manipulate the various gadgets that they are using. If you want to work it out in order to get a cable link to these connectors, then you need to have a solder, and then you connect the cables to the three pins that I've talked about under the SLR cable. And the three standard colors that this cable come is the red, blue, and then the green. And you need to match them so that it will be a functional cable. After that, you tighten it carefully,